What's up guys, so today I'm going to another video, and today's going to be my TIE Fighter build. I know you guys seen me get these in a haul that I had not too long ago in my previous video. So it's going to be a little bit comparison of the two TIE Fighters that I have. I also had the Advanced back from 2003, I believe this one when it came out. And I'm going to go ahead and build these. If you guys want to continue watching, see what these look like, go ahead. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe to the channel. And if you guys like these LEGO videos, you know, let me know what other micro fighters or whatever mini figures you guys want to see, and we'll get to them. So first things first, I'm going to put this one aside, and we're going to end up building the 8028 TIE Fighter. So I want to kind of preserve the bag just a little bit. So I end up getting, I'm going to get my scissors attachment here, just so that it doesn't look too bad. So here we go, my little tiny scissors. I'm going to go ahead and just start cutting away. So I'm probably going to cut the bottom just so that it looks better. There you go, get the little slice on there. And I'm going to go ahead and let the figures out. Oh. And try not to lose any pieces during this process. Alright, so this is an older set, and let's see if it shows the copyright in the back, 2012. So this is an 8-year-old set that's just been confounded in a bag, and here we are today. We're just going to openly use it, and then rebuild our Lego. So I'm going to rebuild this, and hopefully it comes out pretty nice. Alright, so you already know I like spreading the pieces apart, just so, you know, it's a better way of looking at them. This one looks kind of dusty. Because it's been in the bag for so long, for 7 years. Alright, so we're going to open this instruction. Alright, so far we have 8 steps, so it shouldn't be too bad. So I'm going to go ahead and put the steps right here, just so you guys can see it, hopefully. And we're going to go ahead with the first piece. So I'm going to probably fast forward so you guys don't have to see, you know, me do this step by step. But let's get to it. Alright, so now we're on step 5. You can kind of see that it's starting to come together, which is not too bad. But yeah, let's continue. Alright, so now we're in the last step. So far this is what we have. It's not too bad, really well detailed. So this is the front and this is the back of the TIE Fighter. So yeah, let's go get them wings. So this is the wings. We're not quite done, but we're going to continue going on and just continue with the details. So here we go. This is the first TIE Fighter done. I'm not going to lie, it actually looks pretty cool. It looks pretty neat. I do like that blue and black accent. It's actually really nice. And then I'm going to get the extra pieces and put them together, just so that they don't go around moving around too much inside the bag. And we're going to go ahead and put these away, and I'm going to reseal it later. Probably just put a little bit of tape on there. So we're going to put that to the side. Alright, so I'm going to get the instructions and put them away. Alright, so now going on to the new set, which is 30275, and this is the TIE Fighter Advanced prototype. So I'm basically going to do the same thing. I'm going to cut just a little bit. Well, this has a lot of extra little plastic on there. So this time I'm actually going to try cutting the back and see what I can do with that, just so it doesn't look too bad. Alright, and the copyright for this one is 2015. So this one's actually 5 years old, so it's not too bad. The other one came out in 2012, so that one's 8 years old, and this one's 5, so it's not too bad. So here you go, you get the little pieces, and I'm going to put that away. So here we go, we got the instructions. So I'm going to put that aside. This is actually kind of longer. I think this one's going to look a little bit more detailed. So I didn't even get to say the piece count for the prototype. This one's 47. and this one was 44. For whatever reason, this one seems like it has more pieces and looks more detailed for some reason, but There's only different from 3 pieces, so that's not really too bad. So we're gonna go ahead and continue this build. Alright, so this is what we have so far. So all we got left is to do the wings. So adding the wings is actually really easy, not really too bad. This piece is actually very sturdy, very stiff. It's really not too bad at all. Alright, so there you go. Alright, so there we go. We got the TIE Fighter Advanced already put together. So it's actually really not too bad. A little figure right here. You can go ahead and see how you can move it around. It's not too bad. You know, usually like this, but and then you know, of course, we got extra pieces. So what I might end up doing is getting this little red piece and just adding it to the back. You know, it doesn't really do much. And possibly putting this, see if this how this looks. So yep, there you go. Putting the other extra piece down below. And actually it makes it look pretty nice, I think. Maybe I'll take it off so like that you distinguish the bottom. And I'll probably go ahead and I'll just put the extra piece to the side and just possibly put it in back. Oh wait, hold on. Let me see if I can do this. It doesn't look too bad. I'm gonna go ahead and do that just so that it looks different and keep all the pieces together. So far it was only, the front page was only 6 steps and then the back was only 8, which is not too bad for the little TIE Fighter Advance. So I'm going to go ahead and put all the stuff away as I do. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and compare all 3 of these TIE Fighters. So let's get a close-up video. Alright guys, so here first we got is the TIE Fighter. And this is the one that's... So first thing we got is the TIE Fighter. This is 8028. Next we get the TIE Fighter Advance, which is 30275. And then followed by the TIE Fighter from 2003. And I can't remember the actual number right now, but it, you know, the video is in my... I can't remember the TIE Fighter number for this one, but the video is down below. So this is a TIE Fighter Advance from 2003. And this is a new one from 2015. You can ultimately see the difference. Let me go ahead and move that aside. So you can see, you know, how, you know, this one's a little bit bigger and the color scheme's a little different. This one's all black and this is black and gray. And then here you got the TIE Fighter, which is not too bad if you really think about it. So I'm going to go ahead and get the other TIE Fighter. Alright, so this is the sets that we have for today. Let me know if you guys like these little micro builds, and you know, just continue watching, liking the videos, comment, just so I know that you guys have the support. My favorite out of all of them is a TIE Fighter. I think I just like how plain and simple it is. So if we're going at a rating between this one, I think I'll go with the TIE Fighter, the Advanced, and then the original TIE Fighter from 2003. So we want to talk about details. So when it comes to details, I'll give this one probably like I'll say a 9 out of 10. And this one's probably a strong 8 out of 10 just because of playability that you have of moving the wings. And this is so basic, but it's an old school Lego. I'll give that a strong 7. So now when it comes with playability wise, these two definitely have it. So I'll probably say the TIE Fighter between playability. So the TIE Fighter between playability, I want to say this is a strong from 1 to 10. I think this is a good 8 as well. So when it comes to the TIE Fighter Advance, I think it's a really great solid 9. Just so there's so many playability of changing, you know, the wingspan. You can go ahead and lower it, make it go higher. You know, even though that's not how it's flown, there's so many different possibilities you could do while playing with this one. And then this one right here is really plain and simple, and it's also old, so you really can't do too much for this one. But I'll give this one probably like a 5 out of 10, just for nostalgia reasons. So yeah, let me know which one you guys like, which TIE Fighter. And I'm probably going to build another micro figure. I'm probably going to build another micro Star Wars. So I have another video coming up of my next build, and it's going to end up being the A2AT and also the Snowspeeder and the Imperial Shuttle. If you guys want to continue watching, it will be in my next video. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys until then. Peace.